So what's up, my boys? Welcome to another stream. Welcome, my boys. And today we're finally starting making the main part of the game, because that was a long way. That's right, that was a long way, but today we finally start making something really interesting, because we play test together. We make all of that together in some time. By the way, today, as I saw, Roblox updated Roblox Studio, and let's go, my boys. Let's go. So, 1 second, my boys. So let's go. Okay, so I have a plan. Let's first, okay, it's interesting way to find everything here. View. Probably home, I don't know. Oh, I can add one more. Oh, that's cool. That's cool thing. So how to find our place? It was view, probably. Yeah. Yeah. Hey bro, what's up, bro? Welcome. Where to find? Oh, okay, maybe here. Oh yeah, I found that. I found in the home. That's cool that they allow to make our own tabs. So this is absolutely great, and I like that. And as you see, hi, hello, welcome, guys. Changed my name. It's me, Galaxy Bros. Okay, bro. Okay, welcome, bro. So let's go to the main game, my boys. To be honest, I liked the interface. Now dark theme, more dark, and it's definitely a good update. I like that. And yeah, that's cool. They allowed us to make our own how to call that, tabs or workspaces. Yeah, I've got it, bro. Okay. So my boys, let's see. I've already made a plan on the last stream, and let's see what we make. Probably what? Hello, welcome. What we make today? I think we can make today a secret system. This is just save and get positions. This is not too hard. So let's think. Maybe in server script service or not. Maybe in replicate the storage better. Let's make that. Okay, let's make here is a folder services, and let's make great system. Yo bro, welcome, what's up? So it's a great system. How are you? Great bro, great, thanks for asking. Okay, I've already used ChatGPT for that. Okay, 1 second guys, need to switch accounts. So this is so simple and so good solution of that problem, because really that's a big problem when we have a difference, big difference for ping for each player, and this is really hard to this is really hard to control that properly. So okay, I finally finished my game. Great bro, great. What's the game about? Guys, who on the short stream, there is a full-size stream and you can join full-size stream on my channel. Okay, let's make like so. Okay, let's take this one. Module script, position history. I don't know, maybe I don't know if we need to. Probably we don't need. Guys, probably we can make that in server script service. Okay, let's make a script inside module script. Great system. Let's place that. Okay, position history, yeah, it'll be better. Great system. So we can just require this module when we need, probably, and this script just run that. Okay, guys, let's create a script which just call that. Okay, local position history equals require script parent to create system position history. Position history get current, repeat. I'm getting a bit curious to make an own game, not gonna lie. That's interesting, bro. Why not? Are you a Git scripter key guy? Oh, this is not for me. Hi, hello, welcome. Until false. Okay, so look. Okay, print. It returns get current. What? Get current. We need a player. Okay, let's local players. Okay, player equal. Is playtesting today? Probably not, bro. Probably not. I just started making. There is nothing to test right now. Hello Noel, welcome bro, hello. Okay, player, game, get service, players, hi guys, what's up bro, what's up, welcome. This is a painful challenge. Not a painful bro, that just take a lot of time. Okay. Okay, let's better make it like a function. Players. Let's make like so. Players. Child edit. Connect function. Probably like so. Player. Print player. Okay, whereas so guys, what do you think about new UI in Roblox Studio? As you see guys, there is they allows us to create our own tabs. So what you try to do, I'm making the main game now. I'm making a to create system which saves just a position for players, because this is like a ping compensation, because for example player use ability, and because one guy has 3 ping, another guy has 300 ping, it can't hit each other, they can't hit each other. So I want to make that it will be fair for everyone, like this, like that. So okay, great. So yeah, we added the player. Let's make like this one. Here as we put a player, just task wait, every task wait. Position history. Okay, wait. Position history is not server script, server script. Okay, wait. Script parent to create system position history. Okay, I know guys, let's place that in our to create system just, and this will be require just game get service, replicated storage, services, create system, position history. Position history, okay, let's call like so. And here's post history will be this one. Okay, let's do the same here. Game get service, replicated storage, services, to create system, and position history. Okay, let's try now. Okay, great, my boys, great. As you see, it changed our positions, it recorded our positions, every tick. So okay, it records. To create controller probably. So okay, color we don't need here. Position history, just update rate, history time 1. This is 1 equals to 1000 ping. Okay, that's great. Okay, so looks like all. Let's see our plan. To create system, just save and get it's already here. We already have it here. So record, this is saved, get position and time, and get current. One thing what I need to know. How to get remote event match time. Okay, so somehow we need okay, let's create a new chat. Cannot send per time. Probably guys, I know, probably we need to send that inside. Probably we need to send that from our local script, from our player. Yeah, when we use some ability, we just make timestamp probably, and we send that by using our event. Probably yes. So okay, so when we just call that, yeah, that's easy to make, I think. Okay, let's just write it down. Send send remote event fire time, like this one. Okay, my boys. So let's probably like make that just like additional things here, and it will be here. Let's recolor that to green, I don't know, maybe like so. Send remote event fire time. Okay, this is just later. Save and get we don't need. So probably we can make the whole structure for ability system, I think, or maybe game manager. Yeah, maybe game manager. Let's start with the main cycle of the game, it will be better. Okay, game manager, what we need to make. Game manager, we remove that to create controller, leave here like this one, service. Okay, okay. Okay, my boys. So okay, let's create probably here as a game manager. Game manager. Okay, let's go, my boys. Let's do inside here. Okay, game manager. Game manager. So this will be the main parent class, which responsible for everything. Function game manager.new game manager underscore index equals game manager. This is our main parent class, which unite all of our parts, like timer, like role picker, like map generator, and it combine them together. So this will be like main class which just unites that all together. And okay, let's go local self equals set meta table just table and game manager. Okay, return self. Okay, so here's we'll have probably what? Probably nothing for now, but we'll have method here like game manager column and start. Yes, this is unite all of our subclasses together and connect them. Okay, let's go timer. Let's make timer. Let's go here, timer. This is just a timer dot index equals timer function timer dot new, and let's go local self equals setMap table and timer return self. Bye guys, bye bro, bye. Okay, so after that, okay, let's make a method, of course, here function timer, and let's here make a method start stop. Only two methods, start stop probably. Okay, let's make another one. Let's make another one. Role picker. Role picker index function role picker dot new local self that method table role picker return self. Okay, in role picker we need pick and set function role picker pick and set. Probably in game manager we have a controller which see some conditions which we use for finishing game, for example, or just for winning one of sides or something like so. For example, if timer is ends and like this one, probably we use it for this one. Okay, let's make another one. Map generator. This is probably my favorite one. Index map generator function map generator dot new. Let's go here local self set method table map generator return self. Okay, here's the methods. Generate probably function. Yeah, probably we'll have here some other methods. Generate, but it'll be later. This is not a big deal to make that. And the last one will be here. This is what? Orb generator. Orb generator. Orb generator. Like so. Set meta table orb generator return self. Okay, what methods we have here? Spawn and check. Yeah, function orb generator spawn check. So this is the basic structure for our game manager. Yeah, game manager will be responsible for like what order, yeah, for order, like generate map, after that pick a role, after that start timer, for example. Okay, orb generator also before, like timer will be the last one probably. Yeah, game manager responsible will be for start and stop, or finish, start, finish. Yeah, not stop, probably finish will be better in this case. Okay, my boys, this is the structure for that. Okay, let's just make that. Let's start probably with maybe with a timer. Let's do timer first. This is easiest one, and let's make that. Let's see how we make that before. And like here. Probably we can create self time equals to 0. Yeah, let's round time. Let's set it like so better. Because we from game manager can send any data here. For example, will be a game mode where we match lasts, for example, 5 minutes, and the second one will be which lasts, I don't know, 15 minutes, for example. So it will be better if we set it external. We send this data inside just constructor, and we create new timer for any game mode. Probably first just start, and I don't know what we use that timer. While task wait one zoom. Presentation controller. Let's see, I'm very interested. Okay, timer here. Okay, oh yeah, we already made that. Oh, reset. Wait, reset we probably don't need. Okay. Task spawn. Like this, probably we just copy that. Task spawn. False. Task wait. Self timer. Time -1. Like this one. Okay, stop probably self-running equals to false, while self-running so equals true. We do all of that, so we just run this timer. Okay, but if this reach to 0, or probably self time maybe not guys, maybe yeah, let's if self time less or equal to 0, then self stop and like this one. Okay, this is simplest timer I think ever. So if self time less or equals to 0, then stop. Okay, timer done. Let's call that local timer equals to require script timer. Okay, local, oh, not local, self timer equals timer dot new. And okay, so let's create, probably here's a config, maybe not a config, maybe just a module script. How to call that? Constants. And here's will be just to return the table. Round time goes how much? 5 minutes, so this is 300 seconds. You should probably use the break function if you didn't after stopping it. Don't remember if it works or on while loops. No bro, I don't need to use that. Okay, let's call that local constants require script parent constants. Constants round time, like this one. But it works on for loops to exit out of and stop it. But I don't use for loop here, as you saw. I use while loop, bro. Okay. Round time. Okay, like this one, I think. And start game. Okay, probably let's place that. In the order we need to make all of that. First, of course, map generator. Let's make that local map generator require script map generator. The second one will be orb generator, of course. Local orb generator require script orb generator. After that, roll picker. Local or roll picker require script roll picker, and after that only timer. Let's create a variables self map generator equals map generator dot new. Same here for orb generator, same here for roll picker. And only after that timer. Okay, so when we start the game, self map generator generate, right? Or what we did here. Generate. After that, orb generator. Spawn, probably just a spawn. Yeah, it should be here. Spawn. After that, roll picker. Self roll picker. Pick and set. No, we don't do that. We probably in set method we just call self pick. Yeah, like this one, like thing, like this probably set. Just roll picker set, because we don't need to call a lot of methods just for nothing. And only after that, self timer. Start. Let's go here. And this is our game cycle, as you see. Yeah, like this, like that. Okay. So timer, we've already done with timer. Let's let's try that. I just wanna print self time always. Let's make it here. Hello, welcome. Print self time. Okay. Print time. So let's try to call our game manager. Game controller. Game controller, just we call that local game manager. Local game manager require game get service replicated storage services game manager dot new and game manager start. Okay, local new game start, like this one. Let's try. No, wait. Okay, game manager, what we timer.new. Okay, let's see, maybe I forget something. Game controller. Game manager. Okay, let's print one. Okay, yeah, that's work. Okay. And this also work. Okay, so what's the problem with printing that? Oh yeah, my boys, of course, I forget about very important thing. Self-running. Yeah, of course, self-running equals to true. Okay, yeah, my boys. Nice, our timer works, our game manager works, and it connects everything together. That's great. So we need somehow to check conditions, and game manager finish we don't call through our server script. So here just we call new game, start new game, and we close. We don't need the script anymore at all, I think, because all things we make here. So we finish. We finish. Maybe we need to create the variable like game running. Yeah, probably guys, probably self game running equals to false. And maybe inside here local game manager we need to call parent class, probably require script parent, and here is set meta table game manager, maybe like this one. Let's try to find something. Print self dot game running, and we start that. Recursive. Oh yeah, my bad. Okay, I know how we can do that with avoiding all of that. Let's make it like so. Let's just make it like this one. Self game manager. This will be game manager runtime. Game manager equals to this one. So, and we need to pass. There is a self and constants. Game running does not exist, so you replace running with game running for no error, bro. No, that's not a problem. That's not a problem, bro. This is you don't read this one. Requested model was required recursively, bro. This is the main part of that. Keep it up. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. So let me show my boys. Self game manager. Let's print self game manager. So guys, Albert, this is look. You don't need to read the second lines of errors, guys. This is very important for fixing a lot of bugs in your games, guys. Don't read the last errors in your code. Read the first one always. The first one, from the first step, always it starts the chain of all your errors, of all your bugs. So this doesn't mean that my module doesn't exist, guys. My module exists, but the problem, because requested model was required recursively, because guys, I call timer here, and inside the timer I called game manager, and it's the loop, endless loop. So guys, always check from the first error in your output. This is very important to find the bug. Not third, not second one, only first. And then after first you can, if you fix first one, probably you can, as you see my boys, great game running, we get calls. My boys, as I told you, we fix only one problem and everything disappeared. That's it. Why do you have a running value and game running value? Okay, yeah, you're right. Timer running, because it was Okay, let's replace that. Yeah, because this is game. This is game manager, timer running. This is for timer only. Self game manager and game running. So false. Great, my boys. Great. So we get from the parent class our value, as you see from our game manager here, and that's great, my boys. That's great. So that's it. I didn't quite catch that since my screen is small on iPhone, sorry bro, but I do read requested thing error always. No problem, bro, no problem. I just maybe some guys don't know about this, because guys, really, as you see, I just changed one thing and it remove all errors. This is pretty important to start. Read your output from the top always, guys. Okay. 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 Probably guys. Let's do self game manager. Finish, right? Finish when we stop the game. Maybe we don't need really game running or not. I know about it, but I don't remember how to fix and I need to learn about it before I get the same problem in the future. This is pretty easy, bro. Just remember from top. This is so okay, so we just call our, okay, let's just make a print game ends. Let's set our constants like, I don't know, 6 seconds, for example. 6 seconds. After 6 seconds it should print out that game ends. Great. So it's work. We can get parent class if we need, and finish our game. Yeah, probably guys, probably we don't need, yeah, probably we don't need game running. Okay, let's remove game running, at least for now. Maybe later we'll need this value. This is not hard to make that again. Okay, timer start, game ends. Okay, so we have these classes. For example, this will be 300 as default. Okay, so let's probably start from map generator. This is probably one of my favorite scripting parts. I like that. It's really, I like making map generator before I make that. Oh, I deleted all of that. Okay, let's open that. What's that? Oh, okay, this is main game. Okay, my boys. 1 second. Like this one. You ending stream? No, I'm not ending. I'm just finding some file on my computer. Okay, probably this one. Just help me, I accidentally faked my jumping off a building. Where, bro? In Roblox? Okay, let's open service, game cycle control, map generator. Yeah, we have that. Show my screen. Yeah. Okay. Map generator. So we did that here. Okay, let's just copy all of that. What the hell is here? Okay, let's copy all of that function and let's go in our where is that map generator? Generate. Let's go, my boys. What's up, Phoenix? Welcome, bro. Welcome. Okay. Let's delete that. End. So, workspace dungeon clear all children. Workspace XP clear all children. Read with tone. Let's go, my boys. Yeah, bro. Okay. So let's create the folders first. In here, self dungeon. Okay, dungeon equals to workspace dungeon self xp equals to workspace xp. Okay, so this is our dungeon folder. Probably folder will be xp because xp, what's that? I don't know. Okay, let's delete all of that. We probably don't need because we teleport now. We don't need okay, let's just put it here and disable that just for now, at least. Probably we don't need it at all. Workspace placeholders. Okay, yeah, placeholders, of course. Self placeholders equals to workspace placeholders. Okay, self placeholders we put here. Rooms, replicate the storage maps. Okay, let's map name. Let's put here self. Map parts. Map parts or map templates. Parts probably. Map parts. Let's make local, replicate the storage. Get storage, game, get service, replicate the storage. Replicate the storage, maps, and map name. Here's, let's go again in our in our services. Oh, Wait, what the hell? Oh, services, yeah, we have that. In game manager, we just okay, let's just put a variable here just for testing. Local test. Okay. Current map. Arena city. Current map, like this one. Self map parts, and we replace that. Duplicate storage maps, get children. Self map parts, get children. Okay, rooms. Self dungeon folder. Okay, probably we don't need it. Self dungeon will be enough anyway. Self dungeon, crane, chosen room. Okay. Primary port. The ramp. Room. What game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level, with procedural generated maps. Here's a pinned message in the chat, and here's a 4 minutes video about this game. So if you want, you can watch. Okay, self dungeon. We take that here. Self dungeon here. Get descendants. Okay. What's that? What's that? We fix map parts. Okay, that's won't be a map parts probably. Map templates. Why is the bounce a table? Where? I don't see it. Here? Because bro, not a table. Not a table. This is trampoline, not to spam trampoline with jumping. Basement is a read more. Yes bro, yes bro. Okay, no, map parts, self, map parts, replicated storage, map parts probably, right? Map parts, map templates will be this one. Self map templates. I thought you meant for cooldowns or something. Yeah, this is cooldown for a trampoline. This is not the bounce like maybe you think, to prevent spamming a button or something like so. No, this is cooldown, bro. This is just cooldown for a trampoline. I'll show you guys how it works a bit later. Self map parts. Okay. Self map parts from attachment. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Game manager. String expected got nil. Problem. Wait, maybe I don't send. Oh yeah, my boys, of course. My bad, my bad. We need map generator here as current map. Yeah, like this. Let's try now. So as you see, we already have a map. Right, nice, very good. Let's work. Great. Because now our map looks like so. So we need to teleport our players on the map. Probably in game manager we need to make something like so. Maybe we just make player controller. Yeah, maybe. Let's create one module. Player controller. Player controller. Like this function, player controller. That's new. Self. Player controller return self. So what methods we will have here? Player controller. Player controller. Teleport. 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 Maybe. Okay, let's start with teleport. Just it will be enough for this one. Self players equals players, like so. Maybe role. Like teleport. No, teleport. Teleport survivors probably. Teleport monsters. Maybe like this one better. Or maybe no matter. Maybe just teleport. Maybe we don't need really like this one. Maybe role, really. String. If self players. No. For player in self players get children get children do. Okay, this will be player player primary part. Oh wait, character primary part C frame equals to yeah, we need some points where we teleport our players. Yeah, like this one. I've already did that, so this is not a problem. If player team not equal, okay, maybe team better. not equal t, then continue end. If alright, we teleport no, timer shouldn't be like so, guys. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Game manager finish we shouldn't make here. Definitely, guys. Probably we need just not to make task spawn here, and it will be like a holder our time. Maybe, guys. And if so, we don't need a game manager maybe at all here. Maybe like this, because guys, let me show why what I'm talking about. Why is it so? Maybe we don't need even round time here. Maybe we just time put here and just make self time. Maybe we don't need self time at all. Maybe time -1. If time of timer running do in time, okay. Let's yeah, let's put it, let's remove it from here and let's just start on time. Great, absolutely great. Why I decided to do like so, maybe you ask? Because guys, this is holder our to provide this hold us to before next steps. This is like task wait, but this is timer for example for monsters, this is timer for survivors, and at the last step this will be timer for round. Yeah, and after all of that, my boys, self finish. Yeah, that's it. As you see, we don't see game ends right now until the timer is ends. As you see, nothing happens, just timer running. Great, because really timer should be just a timer with any other functions, just timer which counting, and that's all what this module should make. Okay. Let's go to constants. Let's make here like intermission time. Okay, 5 for example. Monster spawn time like 10 just for now. So we just take that. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? Okay, so after role picker, okay, at the beginning, when we generate and spawn orbs, we make what we have. Intermission time. Let's separate that. We pick in the role. After that, we need what? When we teleport players and some other stuff, we just monster spawn time put here. Yeah, like this. You got a new sub, cause this coding gonna take a long time. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Okay. Okay, we don't need to clear it again. Just let's make it like so. Okay, what's that? I don't know. Let's delete all of that. And we separate, of course. This is map generator because I don't like when we see trampoline in the same place. We have conveyor belts in the same place. This is absolutely terrible to work like so. We separate that on different methods probably, or maybe on the different maybe even on the different subclasses. Probably not subclasses, just scripts. Okay, so we generate the map. We have intermission time. After, we need to set the role picker. Let's go to role picker. Let's go here, and I've already made that also. Let's see that. Hitbox. No. Game cycle probably. Oh, not that. Matchmaking control. Yeah. Yeah, here should be role picker probably. I already made that. Oh, choose teams. Yeah, we have choose teams. Okay, let's take like so. Okay. Pick. We need a monster definitely. Okay, let's by the way, in role picker we definitely need local players, game, get service, players, my boys. Okay, players, get players. Let's make just self players equals players, get players instead of that, repeating again and again, and just make like this one. This will be more clear. Agree, my boys? Of course, this is more clear code. Okay, so monster, we just pick monster. Okay, monster, this is a what, player, right? Of course, player. Monster dot team, game teams, monster. After that, for player player in self players do. When do you think you'll be finished? I don't know, bro. I don't know. This is so unpredictable because some parts I make faster than others. I don't know, bro. I don't know. As soon as possible. The one thing I can tell you. As soon as possible, bro. But soon, guys, we start playtesting together, my boys. On the streams, we start playtest, and who will be on the stream? Stay tuned, my boys. And we playtest together with you guys, and you'll be the first who try this game with me, because really alone this is pretty difficult to test all of that. I'm guessing about 125 days, maybe, bro, maybe. I don't know, bro. But in 1 month this is definitely hard to make that. If player dot team not okay equal to game teams monster, then continue end player team survivors, like for all others, of course. So this is picker, role picker. Let's see. I don't know if it work or not. I should be a monster after intermission. Okay, not. Math random. Players get players. Okay. Oh wait, role picker dot new. I call that. Okay, let's close player controller constants. Also, let's close. Role picker, we created that, right? Role picker, self players, players get players. Okay, let's, maybe that's a problem. Yeah, I know, guys, I know what's the problem, probably. Yeah, because, guys, because we run this code at the beginning. This is so bad. What? I don't know what does it mean, bro. Okay, let's make that. Okay, guys, let's just probably self set. Instead of making it here, we probably can just make it here. Let's try. I'm a monster, my boys. I'm a monster. Great, my boys. Yeah, why it doesn't work before, maybe you ask? Because, guys, because I run this constructor at the beginning when I even don't join the game. We need to run this only when we start our game, after intermission, after our players connected. We just run this code. That's great. So now it's work and we get the players. I'm in the monster team because I'm alone. But let's try, for example, how it's work, how to test that. I don't know what how to test that in with two guys team. I don't know. Script. This is new UI, is a little bit confusing. server and clients. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, what the hell? Let's go. Maybe it's faster, I don't know. Let's try. So one should be the monster, the second one should be the survivor team. After intermission, of course. Yeah, wait. We need to start that only in one case. If we have minimum one player, let's fix that. Because now we run our game manager. Yeah, we need some things. Local players. Game get service players. Players. Child edit connect function. Start. Okay, let's create local game start equals false. If game started, then return end. Game started equals to true. Like this. Let's try. Okay, great. What the hell? Why I can't stop my game? What the hell? Bro, what the hell? This UI is a little bit broken, I think. Test, start, stop. Okay, so I can't press that for some reason. This is probably a bug. Okay, so let's test server and clients. Let's go. As you see, nothing happened. Shift F5. Yeah, bro, you're right. Yeah, as you see, only when we join the game, only after that. Yeah, as you see, guys, one guy is a player, is a survivor, the second guy is a monster. That's great. That's great. Yeah, that's nice. So okay, game controller done. Role picker works. So we don't need this method, and role picker we also don't need here. Hello, I'm Heiner. Hello. Okay, so role picker. When we pick the roles, we need to call our player manager, or how we call that. Player controller, yeah. Player controller. Let's also call this player controller will be after role picker. Local player controller require script player controller. Player controller self player controller equals player controller dot new. Player controller. After role picker we need to yeah, we need player controller teleport. teleport, survivors, monsters, probably monsters. In role picker we need to change that. Monsters, survivors, and after that monsters, teleport, monsters, and after that start the game, right? Right. Okay. So we need what we have in our templates. Maps, arena, city, for example, this one. We have spawn part, spawner, yeah, we have a spawner. Let's see how we teleport the players here. Respawn players. We need of course player respawner make, of course. Like this. All spawners. What is all spawners? That's it. Function, player controller. Get spawners. Return. Self. Self get spawners. Like this one. So we just store that in here. Okay, so in player controller we need the players or not. Maybe we don't need or we need. Player controller. Okay, I know how we do. Okay, not. Don't. We can do that. Yeah, let's make it like so. Local players. Game get service players. Players get players. Maybe like this. Let's try. For some reason we're not teleporting. Self-player controller teleport, right? Print one, let's, okay. Yeah, let's decrease intermission time, because it really doesn't need to make so long, at least for now. Intermission time 1. If player team not equal, maybe that's print self spawners. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. I wish you also good luck, bro. Get spawners. Oh, okay, we don't have a spawners at all. Probably I know, guys, why we don't have spawners. Yeah, probably I know. Because we create that. Because we create that at the beginning. So we have empty table, that's why we don't teleport that. So nil, this is just probably easy to fix, equals to this one. Sell spawners, get spawners, print spawners, probably like this one, I don't know. Okay, that's better. Anyway, I'm not teleported for some reason, I don't know why. Maybe because some problem with our script. Yeah, definitely like this one. So okay, it's sell spawners. Okay, if not self spawners, yeah, let's make like this better. Yeah, this is the same, absolutely. But for example, if we do it for the monster, if you make that for the monster, it will be, so we already have self spawners. If we don't have that, we make it again. Could you zoom in? I have what this word is, bro. Yeah, I can, bro. So my boys, okay, maybe that's the problem with this one. Okay, maybe print player, I don't know, print player. Okay, player we have. Okay, player character. Can you make chat bigger? For what, bro? You can read the chat You can read the chat. I've got it, guys. I've got it. So if player team, team name, I think. Yeah, team name probably. Let's do that. Oh, my boys, let's go. Yeah, we already spawned here. Nice, great. Okay, great. So we already generated a map, and we already start our game cycle. Let's go. Let's try again, and map should be different. Let's see. Nice, nice. Let's go. Yeah, it's already different. Let's go, my boys. Well, your content, keep it up, brother. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you so much. GG. Yes, bro.
Удачи в разработке.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Wish you good luck also, bro. Okay. Yeah, the problem was because we have player. We don't put player team dot name because we send just team like a string, and that was a problem, my boys. So okay, so as you see, we already have a map generator, we have role picker, and that's it. I have basement phobia. Oh, bro, yeah. Okay, monsters, and we just start tester phobia. That's true, bro. Same, bro. Okay. So this is game manager, this is game cycle we already have, right? Right. Let's try again. Let's see if the map is different. Yeah, all right, all different. So what the hell, bro? Oh, there is a crane. Yeah, it's absolutely different, always. How long did it take you to learn programming? More than 1.5 years, bro. This is my second project. My first project was tower defense. More than 1.5 year. Okay, my boys. So I thought it took more time that we get. So let's see what about orb generator. Orb generator, we make that. Matchmaking control, probably not. Map generator, platform controller, hitbox. Where I made orb generator. Orb generator, probably maybe in map generator, I think. Why not? Maybe not, maybe not. Okay, I know how we can see that. Matchmaking control, definitely. We have the steps here. We have the steps here. Respawn monster. Also, we need to make all of that. Okay, where we call these methods? I am very not methods, functions. Choose teams. Oh yeah, this is the function start. Okay. Generate map event. Fire. Will you add crane variations? No, bro, no. Generate map event. So should be in map generator. Maybe XP. Clear all children. I made that in somewhere. I don't remember. Like maybe in Survivor Control. Maybe Survivor Control. Yeah. Yeah, probably because this is only for survivors. I made that here. Yeah, XP controller, of course, here. Hello world, what's up, bro? What's up? Welcome. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I found that XP controller. XP controller. So let's go. Okay, wait. Spawn. Sometimes a dream of saving the world, saving everyone from the invisible hand. What, bro? What the hell? Okay. Okay, my boys. Orb generator. Let's go in orb generator and let's see. So, spawn orbs. Let's just copy this function. Spawn orbs. But we need to replace, of course, some things. Yeah, let's make that self XP container equals to workspace XP. Yo, bro, sorry I came late. Just saw your stream live. No problem, bro. Welcome. Self XP container. Let's replace that. Max orbs. What is max orbs? Okay, let's create a variable here. Self. How much max orbs we have that? 200. Okay. Also, why do I think the new studio update is kinda trash? Just confuses me. Anyway, it should happen, bro, because they prepare that for a very long time. Yeah, it's a bit confusing, bro. Of course, but just we need some time to use to it. So anyway, I think this is pretty good update. I like the icons. I like how it looks like. Yeah, it's really slowed down the process because it's confusing a little bit. But bro, I really like that. Dungeon container, like this one. Okay. Orb templates. Let's copy that. Are you gonna add more maps in the future? Of course, bro, of course. This is just one for the beginning. Game get source replicated storage. XP orbs. Spawn. Okay. Spawn. Fun, you tester ballistic, bro. I'm watching a video how to start stream. Great, bro, great. So you wanna be a streamer? That's good, bro. Just my main advice about that, bro, just make any steps in this direction as soon as possible. And because yeah, because guys, always will be some things which slow down, like, oh, maybe that's not right time to start that. Hey Profan, can you rank me on to tester in Discord? No, bro, I'm not I don't need testers anymore, bro, at all. Testers who live here, this is my old testers, because they started with me from my first game. That's why they here. But I don't need new testers at all. I don't use testers anymore. So these guys who is here, this is really OG. So and I removed a lot of testers from here, and I probably never hire. Maybe I hire testers later, but it'll be the professionals who really has a lot of experience, only like so, in Roblox development. Like maybe security testers or something like so, but like testers like this, like I did before, not. It's okay, I don't need ranks. Yeah, bro, this this is absolutely give you nothing if you be a tester here. So, spawn, okay. Spawn, let's try maybe just spawn. Oh yeah, orbs is here. Great, my boys, great. All works. Nice, nice. So I thought it took more time to set up all of that for this point. Of course, there is a lot of work with abilities ahead, but I thought this also will be a big part. Okay, what about orbs? I wanna see. Okay, there is a lot of them. 200 orbs on the map. Yeah, they here. Of course, this is not the best way how to spawn them. I definitely remake that orb spawning a bit later. But at least for now, for testing, this is pretty more than enough. So that's it. Okay, but of course we need a checker for that. We need the function which will check. We'll check. Okay. Yeah, let's make some. I know how we can do that probably. After spawn. Let's call check method. What check method does? Check method will be task spawn function, and just create. Here's the timer. Repeat. Task wait, I don't know, 15 seconds maybe. How much? Yeah, every 15 seconds. Until. Yeah, we need, guys. We need the value which responsible game running. False. Self game running. Game running. Probably game running. Let's make after intermission time game running equals true. Why not? I think this is great place to make that like that. Game running true, and we need an orb generator. Orb generator. Game manager. Self game manager equals game manager. Game manager. So we need to check until game manager game manager game running false. False. Like this, yeah. Task wait, and every 15 seconds we spawn again. Spawn new orbs. No, this is not a check. Let's call this method like generator. Or maybe what? Maybe wait. Maybe start. Just start. And we make like so, guys. We don't need a lot of methods, call again and again. Okay, spawn probably. Spawn, and this is generate. Self-generate. Like this, yeah, this is better. Okay, check. What check does? If self check. Okay, if not self check, then continue and okay, what check does? Check compare just how much orbs we have. Self XP container. What's up, bro? Welcome. If workspace XP container more than. Where did you learn scripting and what is your game about? I learned scripting, bro, just from YouTube, developer forum, and documentation. Just from that sources. And my game about this is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level with procedural generated maps. There is a pinned message in the chat. Here is a 4-minute video about this game. So if you want, bro, you can watch. Good luck. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wish you good luck too, bro. Wish you good luck too. Okay, my boys. Okay, XP container we get. What max orbs? Self max orbs. Just this is just we check if self container more than then return true. Keep going, W stream. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, my boys. Okay. Wait. So check. We need return if amount of XP more or equals max orbs, then return nothing. So we do nothing. If not self, we just keep this iteration. If not, we return true and all right. So if okay, let's try that. If that's right. So if I'm not, if I did something wrong, yeah. If I all right, guys. Because if something was wrong, we don't see these orbs at all. But we have, oh yeah, we have some problem here. Play a game when it's out. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Glad to hear that, bro. Wait, what? What's up, FS? Welcome. So, Roblox Studio got updated. Yes. Probably today, I think. Probably today. Save game manager, game running. 93. Print self game manager, game running. How much did I sleep? I don't know, bro. I don't. Oh yeah, I know, guys. I know what's the problem in this thing, because I forget, guys, to pass game manager. Yes, game manager. We just need in our orb generator pass self. Now should work. Let's try now. So we spawn the map. We spawn our orbs. Yeah, that's it. And after 15 seconds it should spawn. Check spawning again. How much did I sleep? Probably it's happened today, I don't know, or something like so. Okay, any errors, any problems? As you see, guys, all great. So my boys, so okay, let's see. Map generator works. Player controller teleport players. Okay, no, guys, not player controller. This is player teleporter. We separate that more. That will be better, guys, because it's not good if it's not clear enough. We describe the name of our modules or our or our functions, because this will be responsible or only for teleport. Player controller, yeah, like will be player spawner, probably like yeah, like this one, like we made that. I didn't open Roblox Studio since last week, previous week. Okay. No, last week there wasn't this update. This is probably or yesterday or today, I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit confusing, but dark mode more darker now, and I like that. And yeah, the main thing about that, you can add a new tab. This is absolutely amazing. So you can add a new tab and add any tools. What the tools, by the way? Oh great, what the hell, my boys. As you see, there's a lot of tools you can add. Oh, that's absolutely amazing. For example, you can make your own tab, for example, only for UI or something like so, with your plugins, and that's it. Okay, delete tab. Okay. This is player teleporter. Let's remake that, or rename that. Player teleporter, player control, player. Okay, let's make like so. Player teleporter. It's old for me. Old what? Player teleporter. Okay. Also we need character spawner probably, right? Character spawner, yeah, it'll be like so. Character spawner index character spawner function character spawner dot new local self event table character spawner turn self. What game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. You as survivor collect XP orbs all over the map and get levels to get abilities, and monster who also is player chasing you and tries to kill along 5 minutes on the procedural generated maps. Like so. Here's a pinned message in the chat. Here's a 4 minutes video about this game, so if you want you can watch. Okay, yeah, we'll make a first person view, but a bit later. Oh, by the way guys, someone asked me about why I make the bounce for my trampolines. As you see, this is cooldown, so I can't jump again on this trampoline, but now I can. So when it's green I can jump, but when it's red I can't again. As you see, this prevents to spam the players, just prevent spamming jumping, and really for the monster this is pretty hard to catch the player who always jumping on the trampolines. So I decided to make cooldowns for trampolines, and as you see, these cooldowns works not only for you, these cooldowns work for you, for monster, for other players. So you all guys have the same cooldown. Like if some player jumped here, other player or monster can jump here until it resets. So that's why I use the bounce. The bounce, this is just to reload. This is the same like reload. So the bounce or reload, you can call that any you want. So that's it, my boys. Okay, let's make character spawner. Character spawner. We will already make that in here, in our matchmaking control. Yeah, like this. So let's see what's that. Respawn survive. Yeah, like this one. Player. This is okay. Let's create first subclasses for that. Let's make that survivor and monster. Survivor and monster. Survivor and monster. Let's go, my boys. Index function.new return self function survivor spawn. Player probably, yeah, and player. And let's just copy this function what I've already made. spawn survivor. Let's take that. I don't like really what I did before, like character died in here and default template here. What the hell? Okay, let's copy all of that, but probably we separate that a bit later. Like this one, definitely remove. And what's that? What the hell is that? We don't need it here, definitely. We just probably make module script and put it here. Let's better place that like so. Return and this table instead of this. This is survivor. What? This is default data. Yeah, like this. Default data, and also will be for the monster. Let's take that. Like, I don't know, 20 and power 50. Just for example, we change it a bit later or take it from config probably. Okay, let's see what we need to fix here. Survivor spawn. Data storage. Not data storage, just data. So I don't need it at all, really? We need, okay. Let's make, here's a folder, data. Maybe in-game data. Or just player data. What is the software and language are you using? Software, this is Roblox Studio, this is Roblox, bro. And language Lua U, this is for Roblox special. This is modified Lua for Roblox, like this. No problem, bro, no problem. What is player data updater survivor? What the hell is that? I'm very interested. Player data updater survivor. Survivor control. Survivor ability controller. Play. Player data updater. This is like default data, just default. So if we spawn the player, we definitely don't need. Yeah, let's remove that. Okay. Data. This is in-game. Will be later in-game data. Data. So okay, let's create for data. Here's the things. Let's see how we make it here. Player data. Here is it. Just everything in one place. This is absolutely terrible. We'll remake that easy. Just duplicate that and okay, inside here. By item, what the hell? I put everything here. What the hell is that? Okay. Here's will be by item. What update currency? No. Okay, for kbind will be only here. All of that we can remove, I think. And we'll make that to update kbind. Okay, kbind, just kbind. Okay, let's remove. Just we'll make a prototype for that. Kbind. Yeah, like this. Kbind. Update. Local kbind. Yeah, like this. Kbind currency. What we need else here? Currency also. Yeah, probably we can even make it in. Okay, later. Let's first finish just player data. Let's close all of that first. So player data. Let's remove this update kbind. Currency by item. This one, let's remove that. So where we call that? For that, to know that, guys, we use Noil's plugin. So we call that in a lot of places. But we probably should initialize that, right? Like require. Matchmaking control, I think, somewhere. Script, I think just script should be. Yeah, just a default script definitely should call that, I think. Monster ability controller. Roll stat. XP controller. Maybe here. Okay. We call this everywhere almost. I think I know, guys, how we can use that. We just call that in our game controller script, maybe. Oh, wait, my boys. We probably can call that in game manager. Why not? This is like our main script for that. Nice about video. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Okay, let's local player data require. Okay, let's make anyway. We need replicated storage. Game get service replicated storage. Sooner or later we'll need replicated storage, so let's make that anyway here. Services, player data, and player data. Player data controller will be. Okay, player data. We just like initialize that. Let's see if it's work. Should work. Cool. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Play tools. Oh yeah. Hi. What are you making, sir? I'm making a game like hide and seek, guys, but with random abilities for survivors each level. You, as survivor, collect XP orbs all over the map and get levels. And levels allow you to choose to pick each level allow you to pick one out of 3 random abilities each level. This is like invisibility, sprint, double jump, dash, and some other abilities. And monster, who also is player, chasing you and tries to kill along 5 minutes on the procedural generated maps. Here is a pinned message in the chat, my boys, and here is a 4 minutes video about this game, so if you want you can watch. Let me show you our map, for example. Map always generates randomly. Yeah, now we third person view, but let's make it like it will be this will be a first person view. Yo, Profan, I got a new commission for $250. Wow, bro, that's cool, congratulations. And what you should do, bro? What's the task? Camera mode, look first person, like so will be. So the map always randomly generated. So, and you running along the map, monster is chasing you, and you collect these orbs. Oh, this is dark room, by the way. You need to get abilities. Abilities still on the work, but soon, guys, we together play test on the stream. So guys, stay tuned who wanna play test and to play this game one of the first, because soon we will have a lot of playtests, because I'll need your help, guys, definitely. So that's it. I have to script some stuff for a steal a game. For steal. Okay, like exploits, bro, or what? Okay, my boys. So Player data controller. Let's connect that. What's the problem? Still a brain rot, like, oh, okay, bro, I've got it, okay. That's good, bro, that's good. This is pretty good money. That's a cool you find the commission. Like, and where do you find them? Or they just found you on their own, or how it's called? Still brain rot. This is like some gay, right? If I'm not wrong, because I heard about that a lot of time, but I never saw that. Maybe I saw that, but I don't remember. I was posting my stuff in Rodev's Discord and some people messaged me. Great bro, that's cool. So I hope it'll be not so hard for you. I hope it'll goes well for you. Player replicate the storage. Oh wait, yeah, we need some other stuff. Replicate the storage. Templates modules, probably this one. Wait, template tools. Look at tools, maybe template modules. I don't understand. I even got a request from the same country I'm from, but I don't know yet because he wanna do percents. Yeah, I know about percents also. No, probably I would agree when I work if there is some experienced team, probably, yeah. But percents just for no-name teams or companies, this is pretty risky, I think. So for commission, I think it's better to work, definitely. Okay, I rename some folder. Template models, probably. Player data template. Yeah, that's it, my boys. But I don't understand why we use that. Pro player store. He said he got a team and sent me a Google Docs game plan. He said he got a team and sent me Google Docs game plan. That's great, bro. That this is well organized. This is about your current commission, right? Or about that guy with percents. Okay, my boys. So my boys, I think today we make the percent guy. Okay, bro. But anyway, like work on the team you don't know, or they don't have some projects. Probably this is pretty risky. This is my opinion. Just probably I wouldn't work like so. Okay, my boys. So my boys, thank you all who watched today. Thank you all who was on the stream. And we made a great work. It already looks like a game finally, not just like a UI interface in the lobby. So my boys, thank you all. See you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.